Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm looking homeless right now, but what to do now? So yeah, I was just doing oiling, and I thought, why not have a word with you all? And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And if you want me not to make these kind of random videos, you have to give me the thought that what should be create more and what should be the content, because I don't know what to post on YouTube. I've started the YouTube channel, but I don't know what to post here. So you have to give me the whatever you want to see. And yeah, right now I'm in my home, so I think so that would be the reason I'm not finding good content to shoot here. But yes, I hope you got the point without telling you all. So I'm smart, I know. So yeah, we are oiling here, and we are using amla hair oil. As you can see, we just bought it, and that's why it's full right now, because we had used it twice, I would say. Yeah, twice. And yeah, I've started using it because I wanted to use it. I don't know for what reason, but yeah, I wanted to use it. No one likes the smell of it, including me, because yeah. But for some reason, I wanted to try it. I don't know how my hair will react to it. So try each and every stuffs out there in the world, in the universe, because who knows what will be suiting to your skin, your hair, right? So yeah, that doesn't mean sorry. That you will be trying each and every product every week. You can't, man, okay? Just okay. I'll be giving you good advice here. Don't ever listen to me and my advices, my suggestions, because that will gonna give you a lot of trouble. I'm telling you. By the way, we have short hair because we just had a haircut, because we didn't want it to be a super thin at the end. And yeah, because the thought that I had in my mind while making this decision was, I don't want my hair to look unhealthy, and that was the reason I we want to color it as well, because my hair is not kind of super black, but will not be trying it, because we have that fear that we'll be having that whitish hairs, and that we cannot afford, like we cannot afford that whitish hair. And that's the reason we'll not be opting for red color, God knows. Like, we wanted to do it, and we still want it, but I don't know. I can't. Sorry. The thing is that we are here in our home and just for vacation, so for sure we do not have anything to do, and I cannot vlog it, right? Doing that thing. Like, I think so that's a good content, I would say. I can make it. Why not? Right? We should be making a day in my life doing nothing. I should be making it. I'll be making it tomorrow, because we have just 2 days of our vacation left here. And let me say that it's last vacation, I would say, as being a student. Yes, it's a last vacation. Wow! Oh, I think so. We have to stop here because it's too much oil, and it's just my second day of washing my hair. I Yesterday only I had yesterday or day before yesterday, I would say. Yeah, day before this. It's third day of my head bath. So we will be doing hair bath tomorrow, right? because we do head wash twice a week. So yeah, we will be doing it tomorrow, and that's good that we had a good oiling day. Now what to do next? Like, I have ample amount of things to do, right? I have jotted down everything in my to-do list, that what we need to do and blah 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 blah. But the first thing that I have in my mind is making a good YouTube video, like posting here, because I don't know why, but I'm liking this, having a chat with you all, and yeah. So that's the thing that I want to do right now. We woke up today at 6:30 or 7, yeah, and then we were not able to get ourselves ready for exercise thing, so we started playing Duolingo. And the good thing is, we got 3 days subscription for Duolingo, that is Duolingo Premium, and we were very happy. We were genuinely happy at that time, because it happens like once in a while Duolingo gives you subscription for 3 days, and this is something like I've got it thrice in those 4 to 5 months. I got it thrice, so I'll be enjoying it, because we will not be having fear of losing hearts and everything, so we can play around it, right? So that's the thing that made my morning good, I would say. So that was a good morning, right? Good morning. So after that, we had a good 40 minutes exercise, and then we went down, we did brushing and all, and then we had good face mask, because my mummy used to tell me that don't use soaps, face wash and everything at the time of morning, and use a kind of natural homemade skincare, something like that, like Upton and all, to wash your face, and at the time of night you can use that, but at the time of morning use these all things. And that's what we are trying, being here in home. So let's see, because yeah. So we did that, and we started our day with having a bowl of apple. So yeah, we had apple, we consumed some content, and then yeah, we went for bath. Then after that, we had our breakfast and terrace, because there was a good amount of vitamin D, and that we wanted to take, because it was super long coming in winter and not able to take that vitamin D. So we went there, we had a good chat, and then yeah, we came here, and we thought, why not to oil our hair, and that's what we're doing, and taking you all with me. I don't know why, but I think so. I have to stop here, because that would be a long video with no means, with no content in it. So we should not yap here and blabber here a lot. Now we will be giving a good massage. You know, the hair that I'm having like this, I just hate it. I just hate it. It's like something very bizarre. I don't know why, but yeah, I just hate it, because we had bangs. Yes, we lived bangs as well. So we had bangs till here, and that it grown till here. Then we started cutting those French bangs or what, I don't know. So we had that short bangs till here, and then it grown till here, and now I want it to grow till here. Like, look at it. I just hate it. Even if I'll be doing the partition from here, it will be like this only. So I just hate it. But it's fine, right? I think so. We are done. need to have. Okay. Wait. It's been a lot of yapping, I know, but it's fine. I wanted to have a chat with you all, and I did it. So thank you for being a very comfort place. And yeah, why not? So yeah, we are good to go right now. Meet you super soon after I don't know when, but yeah, this is it for this video. So we'll be meeting you super soon with another video, and I hope so you'll be giving me a lot of good things that we need to make here. And yeah, bye bye, meet you soon. Till then, namaste.